welcome again and thank you for watching. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're a continuing viewer, I thank you for watching my videos. I share tutorials on do-it-yourself electrical projects, and for today I have come to explain safety measures when you are carrying out an electrical work. I have to inform you this: electricity is a dangerous job, and it can kill, it can cause fires at any point. Okay, so I'm having these 4 things. They are very crucial. You have to put them into consideration while doing your work at home, doing it yourself. 1, never work on a live circuit. Always switch off your main switch. We all have a main switch in our houses where we are supplied power from the service provider. Then we are connected to a main switch, a consumer unit. So whenever you are going to carry out any work, whether you are replacing a switch, you are replacing an outlet, anything concerning electricity, switch off your main switch. Do not work on a live circuit. 2, thoroughly check your tools. Do a thorough checkup on your tools. The tools you are using, it could be an opening that can leak the electricity to flow through you. So you should check them thoroughly that they are correctly insulated. Your phase tester, your screwdrivers, your pair of pliers, whatsoever, check them thoroughly. You might ask me, you've told us to turn off the main switch. Why are you saying we check our tools thoroughly? Here is the answer. Your tools should be thoroughly checked because at any time someone might turn on not knowing that you are working. You get? That's the answer. So 3, wear your PPE. This is PPE. Simply, it is a personal protective equipment. Here we have the hand gloves. They should be rubber. We have the headgear. You might put on the glasses, and you put on boots down. So this help you not to get shocked whatsoever, not to get into contact with the circuit. Then the last one is, do not work on wet surfaces. Where you are going to work, it shouldn't be wet. Electricity, as we are commonly having, we commonly use the hydroelectric power. It's generated from water, but it has no friendship with water. So whenever you're working, make sure you're not working on a wet surface. Then even your body shouldn't be in any contact with water at any one moment. Thank you for watching. This is Bukenya Faizo. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell such that whenever I drop a video, you get notified. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.